Okay, so there's no question that the quit rate is starting to slow down a bit. Fewer people are resigning. So things are actually fine, right? Well, Gallup says this might be the most dangerous moment for your business yet. And here's why. So I'm Steve Smith with the Hiring Tree. I've spent 20 years helping small businesses and business owners manage their people and consult with organizations who need help scaling their business and improve revenue. And for the last two videos, we spent talking about why employees leave your organization. But in this video, I want to flip the script a little bit because right now, the bigger threat to small businesses and HR professionals might not be the people walking out the door. It's actually the people staying. And Gallup actually gave this a name in late 2024, and it's called the Great Detachment. According to Gallup authors Ben Weigert and Corey Tuttle, it describes a workforce that's no longer loudly quitting, they're just quietly disengaging. U.S. employee engagement hit an 11-year low in 2024 because workers feel stuck. They're not leaving because the job market's uncertain, but they're not engaged either. They're just there. And here's why that matters for you as a business owner or even an HR pro. See, a disengaged employee isn't on your turnover report, but it is costing you productivity, customer service, experience, team morale. The study found that high engagement organizations see 23% higher profitability and 18% less turnover. But the inverse is also true. Disengagement has a real financial cost that doesn't show up in an exit interview because no one's leaving. So what do you do about it? Well, there are three things that I can think of. First, invest in your managers. They are the first line of engagement. Second, have a consistent, meaningful career conversations with your people. Don't wait for the annual review. Employees who have regular check-ins with their manager are significantly more engaged. Third, build a culture where people feel like they actually matter beyond their job descriptions. Okay? So here's my challenge to you. Don't just count who's leaving. Pay attention to who is still there. And ask yourself if they're truly with you or if they're just waiting for a better offer to come along. Because the cost of replacing a disengaged employee who eventually leaves is actually 40 to 200% of their annual salary. The cost of a genuine conversation with the employee? Absolutely nothing. So again, I'm Steve Smith, author of The Hiring Tree, Laws of Applicant Attraction. If you want to go deeper on any of this for your organization, check out the link in my bio. And if this series was valuable to you, share it with another business owner or HR professional who needs to hear it. And I will see you on the next one. If you like what you've heard today, don't forget to subscribe to The Hiring Tree.